is a really cool way to get around your design. It allows you to look at fine details and just to see if everything is aligned properly. So let's try the first of the shortcuts, which is Control and plus. And if I keep doing it, I keep zooming in. Control and minus, and I can zoom out. So even just by zooming in there, I can see that these pictures are not perfect here. And I can see that this grey bar is actually sort of like a gradient, it's not a perfect grey. And I'm holding down space and grabbing around, and I'm just going to pull myself around like this. So holding down space allows me to do this sort of panning. So let's do Control and minus just to move out again. Okay, so where we are on the toolbar is here. So this is a zoom one, bottom left hand corner, and the shortcut is Z. But to be very honest, I very rarely use it, unless I want to do this. Press Z, and then click and hold, and it'll drag like that. Now, there's many ways of doing this, but I find that this is the best way. If you have version 6 of Photoshop, you'll find that as you pull in and pull out, it zooms in and zooms out. And that's actually called scrubby zoom. You can turn that off, but with Photoshop CC, which is what we're using here, you're absolutely fine and you've got the best way of doing it.